Good morning, students. We will discuss problems on this topics T ratio of some particular angles. हम पिछले वीडियो में सभी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शंस की एट ए पर्टिकुलर एंगल्स पर वैल्यू फाइंड कर चुके थे. इसमें हम उसके कुछ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. दिस इज टेबल for T ratio at its short form. T ratios of some angles. This is the table. हम प्रीवियस वीडियो में इन सभी की वैल्यू फाइंड कर चुके हैं. दिस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे टेबल. ये अपनी कॉपी में नोट करनी है एंड लर्न करनी है. इसकी प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे. प्रॉब्लम्स है, हम दोनों बुक को फॉलो करेंगे. RS अग्रवाल एंड RD शर्मा, both books are followed in the problems. First, sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. We put the value, the given functions. Sin 60 equal to 1 upon root 3 by 2. We know that the value of sin 60 root 3 upon 2 and cos 30 also root 3 upon 2 plus cos 60, value of cos 60 1 upon 2 and sin 30 1 upon 2. Then root 3 multiply root 3 equal to 3 and 2 multiply 2 4 plus 1 multiply 1 1 and 2 multiply 2 4. 3 plus 1 4 upon 4 equal to 1. Okay. Next, sin 30 upon cos 45 plus cot 45 upon sec 60 minus sin 60 tan 45 plus cos 30 upon sin 90 equal to the value of sin 30 equal to 1 upon 2 and cos 45 also 1 upon root 2 plus cot 45 1 upon sec 60. This is the reciprocal of use. It is right in simple form. Cos 60. it again. Value of cot 45 1, and this is the reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 minus sin 60, the value of sin 60 root 3 upon 2 and tan 45 1 plus cos 630 1 upon root 3 upon 2 sin 91 1 upon 2 multiply root 2 upon 1 1 into the value of cos 60 1 upon 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 and plus 3 root 3 by 2. It is cancelled because opposite signs and equal to 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon 2. And the value of this functions solved by LCM 2 root 2 this is 2 and this is root 2 equal to and root 2 also common and other method भी है solve करने के because root 2 multiply root 2 also LCM 2 and divide by root 2 then root 2 plus 1. Okay, this is root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. root 2 से root 2 cancel, root 2 plus 1 upon this is the answer. Okay, next questions है नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम्स ले रहे होंगे हम problems we will discuss. Next problems. Yes. 5 cos square theta cos 60, the value of theta, plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square. This is this value of this function is equal to 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. In this previous video, we will discuss in this identities of trigonometry. We write it. We know that. V know that sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1 is clearly angle no 1 theta equal to 30, then also this value is 1. Then problem solve here. Write it again. 5 cos squared 60 plus 4 sec squared 30 minus tan square 45. Value this one. 5 cos square 60 cos value of cos 60 1 upon 2 whole square plus 4 sec square 30 sec root 3 upon 2 root 3. This is the reciprocal of cos, so we will put the value 2 upon root 3 whole square minus tan square 1 का whole square equal to 5 upon 4 plus 4 multiply 4 upon 3 minus 1. 4 upon 3 minus 1. This solve problems. 5 plus 16 minus 3, sorry, 1. It's a reciprocal upon 3. Solve by LCM. LCM 12. 4 3 3 5 ja 15 plus divided by 3 3 4 ja 12. 16 4 ja 64 minus 12. Okay. Then 15 minus 12 3 67 upon 12. This is the answer. Okay, students. Next problems. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम्स है हमारी सिंपल 4 अपॉन cot स्क्वायर 30 प्लस 1 अपॉन sin स्क्वायर 30 माइनस 2 cos स्क्वायर 45 माइनस sin स्क्वायर 0 डिग्री. Solve it. 4 upon cot square 30 plus 1 upon sin square 30 minus 2 cos square 45 minus sin square 0 degree equal to 4. This is the reciprocal of tan. So we write it tan square 30 and this is the reciprocal of cosec square 30 plus 2 cos square 45 minus sin square 0. We know that the square of function of a whole, not a angles, and 30 whole square and the cosec 30 whole square minus 2 cos 45 square minus sin 0 whole square. Four tan square 30 tan 30 का होल स्क्वायर tan वैल्यू ऑफ tan 30 1/√3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस cosec 30 sin 30 1/2 then cosec 30 2 whole square minus 2 cos 30 1/√2 whole square minus sin 0 की वैल्यू 0, the value of sin 0 equal to 0, then 4 upon 1 upon sorry 1/3 plus 2 to the 4 minus 2 upon equal to 1 equal to 4 upon 3 my plus 4 minus 1, then 4 upon 3 minus plus 3 cos 1 subtract by the 4, then solve by LCM 3 4 plus 1 3 is 3 3 3 9 9 plus 4 13 upon 3 answer. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Yes. So next problem we will discuss one so that 1 minus sin 60 upon cos 60 equal to tan 60 minus 1 upon tan 60 plus 1. 1 minus sin value of sin 60 left hand side, we taken left hand side, 1 minus sin 60 cos 60, 1 minus sin 60 value of sin 60 root 3 upon 2 upon cos 60 1 upon 2 solve by LCM 2 minus root 3 2 minus root 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 2 and 2 cancel, then 2 minus root 3 2 minus root 3. Also again write it right hand side, and 60 minus 1 upon tan 60 plus 1 equal to tan 60 root 1 upon root 3 minus 1. upon 1 upon root 3 plus 1 equal to 1 minus root 3 bracket closed upon root 3. By the solve L, we take an LCM and solve it. 1 plus root 3 upon root 3, and root 3 also common cancel because this is denominators and equals, right? 1 minus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3, and solve it by permeable and change the sign denominators and multiply both numerators and denominators, because eliminate the root of denominators. When we write comes out denominators in roots, then we solve this problems, change the sign by two functions in denominators and multiply numerators and denominators also. 1 minus root 3 upon 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3 whole square upon 1 minus root 3 square, because here property use the problem solve a square minus b square equal to a plus b, and other brackets we taken a minus b. So this write it this form and write in the form. So we taken solve the problems in this form. 1 plus 3 minus 2 root 3. Here we solve a minus b ka whole square, and a square plus b square minus 2ab. This denominators, solve denominators. 1 minus 3 4 minus 2 root 3 upon minus 2. Let's solve. Minus 2 plus root 3, this value root 3 minus 2. Also here some mistakes in the problems. Okay, put the value wrong. Yes, sorry students, I will again solve the problems. Some mistakes in this problem. Answer will not may match. Root sines tan 60 root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Easily solve root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus multiply numerators and also denominators equal numbers root 3 minus 1 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 square upon root whole square of root 3 minus 1 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 upon 3 minus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2 upon 2 then 2 minus root 3. Okay, this is also right hand side and left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. Hence, so left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, students, it is clear. Next questions. Verify some problems, then solve it again. Sine 45 into cos 45 equal to sine 90. We take in left hand side, solve. Left hand side equal to 2 sine 45 into cos 45 equal to 2 upon root 1 upon root 2 plus into 1 upon root 2, also root 2 equal to 1. And we know that the value of sine 90, this is right hand side 1, so left hand side equal to right hand side, equal to right hand side. Okay, next problems कर रहे होंगे. हम नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम कर रहे होंगे. if if a equal to 60 30 degree, we taken 30, equal to 30, that verify that verify that cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan square a 1 plus tan square a. Left hand side, we taken left hand side, solve. equal to cos 2a, and the value of a cos 2 multiply 30 equal to cos 60, and the value of cos 60 1 upon 2. This is also formula we read study in 11th standard. 11th क्लास में आप इस फॉर्मूला को लर्न कर रहे होंगे. And this right hand side, we take in right hand side 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a equal to 1 minus value of tan square 30, put the value here of a 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. 1 minus 1 upon value of tan 30 root 3, 1 upon root 3 square, 1 upon root 3 square, and 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 2 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 2. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Then verify. Next problems. Problem. At given angles A equal to 60 if, comma, B equal to 30 degree, then verify cos A plus V equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B sin B. We take in left hand side cos A plus B and put the value cos 60 plus 30. The value of cos 60 and cos 30, 90 is equal to 90, and cos 90 value equal to 0. Here we taken minus. Okay. Right hand side cos A into cos V minus sin A into sin B. Value of cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. 1 upon 2 root 3 by 2 minus 1 upon root 3 by 2 into, and also this is the equal to 0. Left hand side equal to right hand side. नेक्स्ट डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे प्रॉब्लम्स. If A and V are acute angle if A and V are acute angle such that tan A equal to 1/3, comma, tan B equal to 1/2, and tan A plus V equal to tan A plus tan V upon 1 minus tan A into tan V. So that angle A plus V equal to 45, then be taken left hand side, tan A plus V equal to, we know that in the given in the questions, tan A plus V 45 equal to the value of tan 45 equal to 1, be taken again right hand side, and A plus B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. We know that the value of tan A 1/3, and the value of tan V here, tan B 1/2, and 1 minus 1/3 into 1/2, 5/6 minus 5, sorry, this is 6, 5/6, and 6 minus 1/6, 6 to 6 cancel, 5/5 equal to 1, and this is equal left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, okay students, and some other problems we will discuss and next video. I hope this problems in this video everything we will clear, and I hope सभी को अच्छा लगा होगा.